Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Morse, Saskatchewan, a prairie town located right along the Trans-Canada Highway. Morse was named after Samuel Morse, the inventor of the telegraph, reflecting the spirit of progress at the time. The town was founded in the early 1900s and grew quickly with the arrival of the railway and settlers looking to farm the open land. Agriculture has always been central here, with wheat fields and cattle ranches shaping the local economy. You'll spot grain elevators, quiet streets, and big skies stretching as far as the eye can see. History lives on in the local buildings and in the stories shared by longtime residents. It's a great place to take a break, breathe in some fresh air, and enjoy the calm of the prairies. Whether you're passing through or just curious to explore, Morse offers a genuine Saskatchewan welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Morse, Saskatchewan.